In this series of tutorials, we'll look at converting your images to a CNC suitable format such as DXF or G-code files such as CNC, NC and TAP, all of which you can create from your images using ScanCAD. So you see here we have a pixel image. When we zoom in we see the pixels. We call this raster images, and we'll be converting it by following the steps of first cleaning the image, then converting, and finally you can edit the vector design if you want to, input some dimensions and save it as your required format. Let's just have a quick look at the converted file now. So I've pre-converted before starting the video. We'll view the vector file. You can see that we've converted the image to vector polylines as a clean outline, which would be suitable for CNC cutting. Finally, I want to mention that if you have vector designs that you want to convert, so files that aren't made of pixels, don't worry. You can convert vector files such as PDF or DXF or DWG using ScanCAD and still create CNC suitable formats. We'll be looking at that in later tutorials.